You're welcome again to CTV here in the Eastern Heartland, and where we say it the way it should be said, where we talk it all. Last time we discussed the road, where we mentioned that all the roads in Imo State are bad. After the discussion, after the interaction here in the studio, a lot of calls were made. People called me to comment what we have done and to also suggest further ways. From my discussion with these people who called, I was made to know that here in Imo State, sometimes ago, the communal life for which Igbo are known, we are put in test. And what is it? That the Imo State International Airport was built just by communal efforts. All the people in various communities here in Imo State that was led by a man who knows how it is and what it takes to take care of a state, talking about political administration of the state. And that was the Sam Ononaka Mbakwe. Imo State Airport was built entirely by the indigenes of Imo State through communal efforts. Most villages in this state, most towns, you hear of community secondary school, community primary school, community health center, community this and community that. This means that people, Igbo, have been building all the one by themselves. Why is it today that because we have been waiting for the government that we do not know, and we are sure, not that we do not know, that they can never do anything about the roads. All rural areas, all rural communities, all the roads everywhere in the state, here in Imo State, and other states in the eastern states, like Igbo states, are all bad because we have left that which we are known for. That Igbo are people who do things themselves. And I want to tell you, if all the communities and villages in Imo State take care of grading their roads, doing it themselves by communal efforts, the way we are known before, my brother won't be suffering what we are suffering today. No community market can be accessed again. Everywhere in the rural areas, you need to go to Ngobala. You need to go to Owerri North, Owerri West, or even Owerri Municipal. Go to World Bank and other areas. You weep. And of course, extend to other communities beyond this Owerri Federal Constituency. The story is the same. Please, there is need for every community today to come together. Those of you who are in the diaspora, remember that, talking of China, Israel, and other countries of the world, those in diaspora played major role in their development. Please, it is very believable, it is very clear that if we go back and do the part that our parents told, we'll be able to take care of our states. We'll be able to take care of Imo State, we'll be able to take care of Igbo land. Please, let us come back. Through communal effort, begin to develop our place by ensuring that all the roads are at least graded. When we grade it, we can access all the market. Clusters will be built. The community, the economic activities of the people will bring about what they call prosperity. And this way, I want to assure you, we get it happening again. We get the Igbo land happening again. Thank you. I will see you next time when I come around and we discuss again the issue on how to make Igbo land a good place.